In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and add Loom to your WordPress site. Let's dive right in to make your website more dynamic with Loom's engaging video content. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. Once the page loads, look to the upper right corner where you'll find the Login button. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you'll see several options. Select Continue with Google to simplify the process, especially if you're like me and tend to forget passwords. This option integrates your Google account with WordPress, making logging in seamless and swift. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose from your list of Google accounts. If you're already signed in, this step is quick. Just select the account associated with your WordPress site. If not, you'll have to enter your credentials. Don't worry, this is a one-time setup and WordPress will remember your choice for future logins. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. Here, navigate to the right panel and look for quick links. Under this menu, click on Edit Site. This option will take you directly to the editing interface of your WordPress site, where you can make all the changes and enhancements you need. Now focus your attention on the top left corner of the screen, specifically to the Add button. Clicking this allows you to insert different types of blocks into your WordPress site, giving you full control over its appearance and functionality. We're interested in integrating Loom, so let's move to the next step. In the search bar that appears after you hit the Add button, type in Loom. This is where we're going to bring in that video magic to your site. As you type, WordPress will show you a list of matching blocks. When the Loom block pops up, go ahead and click on it. Clicking on Loom integrates this block into your site. This addition provides a fantastic way to embed Loom videos directly into your pages or posts. Not only does this enhance your site's content, but it also engages your audience with rich media. Whether you want to showcase a product, deliver a tutorial, or share a personal message, Loom helps you make that connection in the most vivid way possible. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a Loom block to your WordPress site, making your content more interactive and engaging. I hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed learning with me, be sure to stick around for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day and happy creating.